Men are not used to haircuts getting paid for. Bring them Apple Pay and wire transfers. They're not used to that. But when you're dealing with a boss, a woman that get money, you get spoiled. You get taken care of. When you around me, you gonna put that wallet up. You can call me a sugar mama. You can call me whatever you want to call me. You my man. I'm taking care of you.
So, just for context, guys, this woman is going viral for saying that um, any man that she's dealing with don't have to pay for anything when she or when he's around her. So, this caption says right here, breaking societal norms. A woman says if a man is with her, he doesn't spend anything. She takes care of everything financially and spoils them. Now, granted, you gotta take this with a grain of salt because this is women, but this is crazy, guys. This is definitely breaking social norms. What do you guys think about this? Let's let her continue talking.
There's there's no way around it. And that's something I don't feel like men are used to. Ready?
Yep. Hold on, let me pause the music. So yeah, guys, yeah, and she actually not half bad either. So guess what? Now, granted, she look like the typical hood chick, so you're taking care of Pookie and Ray Ray on the low. Excuse me, this is who Pookie and Ray Ray go to. Excuse me again. This is who Pookie and Ray Ray go to whenever they get in trouble. This is they down chick right here. So yeah, she don't look half bad, but let's let her. She got another speaking part.
Let me tell you something about a man. Oftentimes, women want a man to open up and be vulnerable. I'm not saying you're asking for a lot, but I will say that's not something that men usually do. But I will say the minute that he does tiptoe and hesitantly give you just a little, you fuck it up by allowing your emotions to take over. Instead, you should be sitting in that with him. He's not looking for a fix. He's not coming to you thinking you can fix the problem. He for sure doesn't want you to go into mother mode. He just want to know that he got somebody rock on him. Someone that's their rock. And someone that's silently supporting him.
Now, granted, hey, she's making a lot of sense, but whenever it comes to women, you can never really truly trust these things. Female nature always rears its ugly head. You're gonna have to pay for something. So, especially if she paying for something, that means you're gonna have to give up some time. You're gonna have to give up some deals, Nick. You're gonna have to give up something. Whatever she wanted, typically reversed the dynamic, and now she's the man and you're the woman, essentially, which is not a good place for you as a man. So we're gonna go back and review this video bit by bit. Before we do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Should the video, if you like the video, if you guys want to support, all the ways you can in the description below. Cash App's right here for whatever's worth to you. If you're not going to support, please hit the like button. It's free. Let's get back into this, man, and see and break this down, because this is breaking societal norms. What is going on here? You see a new thing in the world each and every day. Each and every day, guys.
Men are not used to haircuts getting paid for. Bring them Apple Pay and wire transfers. They're not used to that.
Damn, she doing wire transfers. Like that's what you do whenever you doing big deals in business. Damn, she giving away some real money. Now, granted, what does she do for a living, guys? What do you guys think she does for a living to make her feel that she has this whole bunch of money? Right? I mean, probably the drawback to this is probably she's selling some, right? Crazy work. What's the likelihood this woman is making, six figures and up from just being a good worker at work? Highly unlikely. She's probably doing something nefarious on the side.
But when you're dealing with a boss, a woman that get money, you get spoiled. You get taken.
Yeah, this is a little weird. Like, this is masculine energy. And I guess for some of you guys out there, this is really a turn on. For some of you guys, I don't see how it is. She's thinking and acting and talking like a man should when he's, with his woman and his girl. So it's a weird dynamic. I don't know how you guys can take this seriously, but who knows? This is the internet. She could just be talking out of her side of her mouth just to go viral, to get some attention so she can get more of her followership up. to start her OF. You know what I'm saying? It's a typical playbook of women these days.
Care of. You around me, you gonna put that wallet up. You can call me a sugar mama. You can call me whatever you want to call me. You my man. I'm taking care of you.
Don't you guys get lured into that damn trap. You know, she's hunting like a trapdoor spider right now. You know, she's trying to get you into her web. And so don't you guys get trapped in that BS. You know what I'm saying? There's definitely a back end cost to this that she's not telling you guys. So a lot of you guys, before you jump in the comments and be like, oh man, she's the best woman. Is she? Is she? You know, it's really weird. You can never really trust a woman dating coach and all this stuff because women have ulterior motives. You know what I'm saying? Like people have ulterior motives. So I'm not trusting this as far as I can see it or hear it.
There's no way around it.
And plus, the only dudes that qualify for this kind of treatment are broke dudes. So she's talking about Pookie and Ray Ray. You know what I'm saying? No guy with money is ever putting up with this stuff. You know what I'm saying? So she deals with broke guys exclusively. Which tells you a lot about her.
And that's something I don't feel like men are used to. Ready?
Yeah. No, they definitely not used to it. It's a little weird. Now, look at this. She's doing a little validation thing, attention-seeking thing, all this damn makeup. And she don't look half bad without the makeup. She got Botox, you know, she got surgeries and all that stuff. You can look at all that stuff. Look at her. She don't look half bad. A lot of you guys were sliding them DMs. But she don't look half bad either. With no makeup either, if we're being honest. Now, let's go into this next piece.
Oftentimes, women want a man to open up and be vulnerable. I'm not saying you're asking for a lot, but I will say that's not something that men usually do. But
yeah, because they take it for granted and they throw it back in your face when you guys get into an argument. Yeah, women are sometimes hard to deal with.
I will say the minute that he does tiptoe and hesitantly give you just a little, you fuck it up by allowing your emotions to take over.
Yeah, that's true. Yep. And you only got one opportunity to fuck up that vulnerability. One opportunity. The minute you fuck that up, we close the gates immediately. We close the gates. We put mines in front of that shit. We put spikes in front of that shit. We put laser. Like you'll never get back in again.
Instead, you should be sitting in that with him. He's not looking for a fix. He's not coming to you thinking you can fix the problem. He for sure doesn't want you to go into mother mode. He just want to know that he got somebody rock on him. Someone that's their rock. And someone that's silently supporting him.
Yeah, that's really what all men need is really just support. You know, just I got this, babe. You got this. I'm with you regardless. You can do it. Encouragement from their woman. That's all they need. They don't really need too much else. But shout out to this lady for changing social norms, breaking social norms. Now, granted, we don't know if this is real or not. She probably faking to a degree. And I promise you, if she loses her job, she gonna want a dude to have some money. So, you know, you can't ever truly believe these things entirely. But anyways, guys, that's my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the video. Like the video, if you guys want to support all the ways you can, are in the description below. Cash App's right here, whatever's worth to you. If you don't want to support, you can't support. Hit the like button, comment your thoughts, have some engagement, hit the bell for all notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.